So, na-complete nyo ng grade nyo. Yung mga absent, hintayin nyo lang grade nyo sa portal. Okay, i-upload ko na lang. Pero, ang gusto ko iparating sa inyo, the highest computer grade for the prelim is 74. Isipin mo yun, ha? So, ibig sabihin, walang pumasa sa inyo. Start with the new topic, derivative of trigo functions. Very obvious. Bakit trigo yan? Ayan. Trigonometric functions yan. Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, tsaka cosecant. Okay? So it's just a matter of familiarizing yourself with the formulas at paggamit nito. Pag sine, cosine. Okay? Whatever this is, where u is a function of x, where u is f of x, okay? Whatever this is, copy here, and then take the derivative of this with respect to dx. Ano lang, pag cosine, negative sine, kung ano man yan, kopyahin mo, multiply by the derivative of this with respect to dx. Tangent, secant squared, cotangent, negative cosecant squared. Okay? Secant u, tangent u, cosecant, negative cosecant u, cotangent of u. Okay? So, here, sine. What is u? The direction is find dy dx. Find dy dx. What is u there? In this problem. Anong u?
3x raised to 5.
3x raised to 5. This is the u. Ganun lang. Anong gagawin dito? dy over dx is sine yan. So, pag sine, what is it?
Cosine.
Cosine. Tapos, kopyahin mo lang kung ano yung u. Ang u dito is 3x raised to 5. You understand? Multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong derivative ng 3x raised to 5? With respect to dx. That is 15x raised to 4. Yan na yun. Siyempre, hindi ako magbibigay ng ganyan sa quiz. Okay? Ano lang yan? Para ma-illustrate lang natin itong mga formulas natin. Like this. What is the u?
1 of x.
1 half of x. Understood?
Yes.
Oh, ano ang derivative ng tangent? dy over dx, o tangent. Secant squared u. So, secant squared, anong u? 1 of x. Parenthesis, multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to dx. Anong derivative ng 1 half of x with respect to dx? 1 half. It's 1 half. Yan. Ganyan na yan. Actually, that is already correct. Or, kung gusto mo lang i-rearrange, then, parang ito, dy dx is, lagay mo siya sa una. 1 half, secant squared, 1 half of x. Pero ito, there's already an answer. Tama yan. Walang magsasabing mali yan. For this one, pwede mong i-rewrite as 15x to the 4th cosine of 3x raised to 5. Okay? Ato. Ano ang u dyan? This is the u. So that dy over dx is power formula. Do you agree that this is the same as writing as cosine x squared to the 4 raised to 2? Alright? Cosine x squared to the 4 squared is the same as like this. Correct? Are you with me? Paano mo i-differentiate yan? Power formula. Power formula. So kung sa power formula, what is this?
2.
U. Ano ito? N. Di ba?
Yes.
Sa power formula. So how do you get the derivative of that? Bababa itong 2. Multiplied by, are you following? Cosine x squared over 4. Iba yung ganyan, ha? Over 4. You agree?
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
Raised to 1. Tama? Para mas ma-visualize mo, palitan ko lang, ha? Baka sabihin mo mali yung nasa nakasulat. Ginawa ko lang ng 3 para makita mo lang. O, so ano nangyayari dito? 3 times this, ano dito? 2 minus 1. Tama? Square, correct? Multiplied by the derivative of this. Multiplied by the derivative of this. Ano ang derivative ng cosine? Negative sine of x squared all over 4. Are you with me? Are you with me? Is that it? Not yet. Multiplied by the derivative of this. Follow?
Yes.
Anong derivative ng x squared all over 4? Power formula lang yan.
2x.
X squared all over 4 is the same as what? Power formula. Ito, x squared all over is the same as 1/4 x squared. You agree? You agree? X squared all over 4 is the same as 1/4 x squared. You agree? O, anong derivative niyan? Power formula. Bababa. Ha? 2 times 1/4. Bababa ito. 2 times 1/4. 1/2. 1/2 of x raised to 1. That's it. You understand? You understand? Or, paano mo i-rewrite yan? Are you convinced with this? That the derivative of this is 1/2 x?
Yes.
Ha? Are you convinced? O, paano mo i-rewrite yan? Yung 3, pwede mong isama dito. So that would be 3/2 of x. Correct? O, yung negative, pwede mong ilagay dito. Tapos, what? Sine of x squared all over 4. Are you following? Are you following? Multiplied by cosine x squared all over 4 squared. Yes? Yes? Okay. Ibalik natin sa dati para makita mo lang. Yung dati is y all over cosine x squared all over 4 squared. Tama? Ano yan? Ano yan? Sige.
For example po, yung sign, tapos doon nyo ilalagay yung negative, pwede po.
Ilalagay mo dito? Pwede, provided may parenthesis. Kasi kung walang parenthesis, sa pagkasulat mo ay ganyan, minus ganyan, hindi mo yan papasahin na negative. Minus yan. Mali yan. Product yan. This times this. Nagkataon lang na ang sign yan is negative. Pero product yan. Times. Pag ganyan ang pagkasulat mo, wrong yan. Kasi ang ibig sabihin yan, 3/2 x minus sine of x squared over 4. Are you convinced, guys? Nag-gets nyo?
Yes.
Pero pag ganyan ang ginawa mo, tama yan. Tama yan. Kung may parenthesis, that is correct. Ano nagsasabi na that is wrong. Okay. Balik natin sa dati. Or this is the same as cosine x squared all over 4 squared. You agree? You agree? Power formula. dy all over dx would be 2 cosine x squared all over 4. Are you with me? Raised to 1 multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong derivative ng cosine? Derivative ng cosine.
Negative sign.
Negative sine of x squared all over 4. Tama?
Yes.
Multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong ulit ang derivative ng x squared all over 4? 1/2, 2. So 2 over 4. Do you agree? So this would be 1/2 x or x all over 2. Are you convinced? Are you convinced, guys?
Yes.
Ito yun. X all over 2. You understand? Okay. You would realize na product mga yan, ito kasi, kaya kung gusto mo ipakita, you would realize that this cancels with this. Do you agree? Huwag mo munang cancelin na. Bakit? Anong gusto kong ipakita? Hindi ko na kinansalan. Hindi ko na kinansel. I-rearrange ko lang. Negative, ilalagay ko dito 2 sine x squared all over 4 cosine x squared all over 4 multiplied by x all over 2. Anong identity yan? Kaya sabi ko sa iyo, recall your identities. Recall that 2 sine theta cosine theta is Sine 2 theta. You agree? Wala. Kung hindi nyo maalala yan, wala tayong magagawa dyan. O, in this, kung tignan mo dyan, ito yung 2. Di ba? Sine, anong theta?
X.
Ano ang pinaka-theta niya? X squared over 4. Cosine. Ano ang pinaka-theta niya? X squared over 4.
Yes.
That is the same as, do not forget the negative. Negative, ito. Sine. Twice, anong theta? X squared over 4. You agree, guys? You agree? Times x over 2. O, anong mangyayari dyan? Negative x over 2 sine of, ano yan? X squared all over 2. Understood? Sure na. Ayos na. So, turn by turn. dy over dx, turn by turn. How do you differentiate this? Power formula. Ano yan? Ano yan? Cosine x ay 4 to the 4th. Cosine x to the 4th. Ang ibig sabihin niya. Cosine raised to the 4th x is the same as cosine x raised to the 4th. How do you find the derivative of this? Anyone? How do you find the derivative of this? Huwag naman yan lang. Eh, hindi mo pa may bigay. Anong derivative niyan? Power formula. Bababa yan. 4 cosine x cube. Wait against? Seriously guys, gusto ko kung yan pala ngayon naguguluhan ka na, wala na. Wala na. Tanggapin mo na, nauulit ka. Kung yan pala ngayon naguguluhan ka na, paano nangyari dyan? Tanggapin mo na, nauulit ka ng subject. Power formula yan. 4, bababa, cosine x raised to 3, multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong derivative ng cosine? Anong derivative ng cosine?
Negative sine.
Negative sine of x. Multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to dx. Ano ang derivative ng x with respect to dx? It's 1 minus, ano yan? 4 sine cube x, correct? Multiplied by the derivative of sine. Cosine of x. Multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to the x. 1. Saan ang gagawin na natin dito? Common factor in each term. Observe. Ano ang common factor in each term? 4. Ano pa? 4. Ano pa? X.
Cube tayo.
Paano naging x? Angle ang x. Hindi siya factor. It is an angle. Ano?
X.
Common factor in each term. Ano pa ang nakikita niyong common sa bawat term? Ha? Ano pa ang nakikita niyong common sa bawat term? Yung meron sa both terms. Ano pa? Ha? Sin x and cosine x. Pag nilabas ko yan, ano may iwan dito? Negative. Negative yan. Nilabas ko ang sin x at isang cosine x, ano may iwan? Nilabas ko ang dito sa term na to, nilabas ko ang 4, nilabas ko ang sin x, nilabas ko ang isang cosine x, so ano may iwan? Ha? Yung negative na yan, it's because of the negative na yan. O ano may iwan? Negative? Patay tayo dito. Ay, mukhang magiging magkakatotoo. Diyos ko. Seriously, ano may iwan dyan? Hindi nyo alam. Hindi nyo talaga mag-gets. Grabe. Basic yan. That is not already even calculus. Simplification na lang ang ginagawa natin dyan. Seriously, ano may iwan? Anyone, ha? Come on, say it. Mag-isip naman kayo kanina. Hindi naman tinitignan. Mag-isip kayo. I'm serious. Ano may iwan? Anyone? Nag-factor out ako ng 4 sin x cosine x. nilabas ko ang 4, nilabas ko ang sin x, nilabas ko ang isang cosine x. So ano may iwan?
Cosine squared x.
Cosine squared x. Ang hirap pang sagutin yan. Minus. Nilabas ko ang 4. Dito sa term na ito, nilabas ko ang 4. Nilabas ko ang sin x. Nilabas ko ang cosine x. So ano may iwan?
Sine squared x.
Sin
Sin
squared
squared
x.
x. 4. Ilalabas ko ang negative. Kaya nandyan yan, negative. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes.
Sin x, cosine x. O, anong mangyayari dyan? Ilabas ko ang negative.
Cosine squared x.
Anong mangyayari dito? Ilabas ko ang negative.
Positive.
Plus.
Sin
Sin
squared
squared
x.
x. So, ano to? Identities. What is that? Patay tao. What is that? Huh? What?
Cosine squared x plus sine squared x
Is?
equals to 1.
Yes. 1. So, ano mangyayari dyan? O, isn't it that I can write this as negative 2 times 2 sine x. Cosine x, are you convinced na pwede kong isulat yan? Na ganyan? Yes, kasi negative 2 times is negative 4. Are you with me? But what is this? Again, kakasulat ko yan dito. Dito ko pa simulat yan. What should dy dx be? What should this be?
Ano yan?
Ha?
Sine 2x.
Sin 2x. Ito yun. Ha? So this would be negative 2. Ano yun? Negative 2. Ano ito? Sin 2x. Did you understand? You understand? Okay. Pero, kung sana nag-iisip ka at alam mo ang mga bagay-bagay, recall that x plus y times x minus y is x squared minus y squared. Are you convinced with this? O, paano kung susulat yan? Sige nga, anyone? How will you rewrite that? Do you agree that this is the same as... Grabe, napapagod ako sa inyo. I swear, napapagod ako sa inyo. Dapat mga bagay na ito, hindi ni-explain lang ganito sa inyo. Unang tanong, do you agree that I can rewrite it this way?
Yes.
Are you convinced? Do you agree that I can rewrite it this way? Are you convinced? In this form, x squared minus y squared, ano ang x?
Cosine.
Ha? In this form, ano ang x? In that problem, ano ang x?
Cosine squared x.
Kumplituhin nyo, adi. Ayan o, kitang-kita mo naman o, x squared minus y squared.
Cosine
Ano ang
squared
x
x
sa problem na
raised
yan?
to
Cosine squared x. Ano ang y?
2.
Sin squared x. So ito, pwede kong i-write this way, correct? O, ano ang x? Hindi
Cosine.
pa ako nagdi-differentiate ha. Hindi pa yan dy dx. Nagsisimplify pa lang ako. Ano ang x?
Cosine.
Cosine squared x. Are you with? Plus, ano ang y?
Sin squared
Sin squared x. Follow? Times.
times
Ano ang x?
cosine squared x.
Cosine squared x. Minus, ano ang y?
Sin
Sin
squared
squared x. Ready? Hindi pa ako nag-differentiate ha. Hindi pa ako nagdi-differentiate. Shhh! Duy! Dito ang tingin. Diyos ko. Wala ka na nga nakukuha. Diyan ka pa nakatingin sa bintana. Okay lang sana kung nakikita mo dyan si Ivana Alawi. Ay, titingin din ako. Ano yan?
1.
Wow! Ano yan? What is the identity equivalent of that? Cosine squared x minus sin squared x. Hindi pa ako nagdi-differentiate ha. Y pa lang yan. Y pa lang yan, Y pa lang yan. Oh. What is cosine squared x minus sine squared x? Ano yun? Hindi. Ito, 1.
Yun yung 1.
Ang 1, Diyos ko, negative 1. Baka yun. Ito ang 1. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x. Yan ang 1. Eh, ang cosine squared x minus sine squared x. What is the identity equivalent of that? Patay tayo. Bakit? Ano? Bakit? Kaya tayo. Bakit absent yung boyfriend mo?
Hindi.
Ha? Ang ginawa mo, absent yung boyfriend mo. Kayo ba?
Hindi ko.
Ano yung na-video mo yun? Yung sinabi ko?
Ah, hindi sir, pinost ko sir. Oo sir.
Ebidensya. Ebidensya na dinideny niya yung boyfriend niya.
Kala ko si Bana sa yung video.
Yun lang. Na-video
Ayun
na
lang,
yun.
yun ata sir.
Yun ang hindi na-edit. Sagot ka rin, sagot. Seryoso. Ano ito? Ano naman? Diyos ko, wala. Walang makapagsabi ng sagot dyan. Twice an angle yan. Twice an angle. Sa twice an angle yan, what is that equivalent to?
Sir, cosine 4x.
Ha?
Cosine 4x.
Ano no?
Cos 4x. sir.
Bakit po?
Cosine 2x.
Ha?
Cosine 2x.
Cosine 2x. Oh. Magdi-differentiate na ako. dy over dx.
Equals to.
Pay attention. Anong derivative ng cosine? Anong derivative ng cosine?
Negative sign.
Negative sine of ano ang u?
U. 2.
2x. Multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong derivative?
2.
Anong derivative ng 2x with respect to dx?
2.
Ha? 2.
2.
Oh. Are they the same?
Oh shit. Oo nga.
Are they the same? Yes. Two different approaches. From here, diretso derivative. From here, nag-simplify muna ako, mas madaling i-differentiate yan.
Mhm.
Do you get the idea? Either which, they're correct. Ito, ano yan? Magkaiba yan. Ito minus. Ito times. Set. Magkaiba yan ha. Yan cosine 4x, like cosine x raised to 4 minus sine x raised to 4. Ito sine x raised to 4 times cosine of x raised to 4. O, diretso na. Mukhang kulang ang space. Puso muna. How do you treat that product? Alala yung derivative of a product? Derivative of uv with respect to dx is u dx plus d over dx. Are you convinced, guys?
Yes.
That is, in this problem, treat this to be your u, treat this to be your d. Get it? Read me?
Yes.
Read me, guys? Sundan mo yan.
Derivative.
dy dx, diretso na. dy dx is what?
U. Cosine 4x.
Cosine
Raised to
x
4.
raised to 4. Iba ang cosine 4x. Ang cosine
Baliktad.
4x is like that. Pag sinabi mong cosine 4x, naku, paubusan yata talaga ako. Wala naman yung talaga. Cosine x raised to 4. Multiplied by, anong derivative dito? 4
4
sine.
raised cube.
Ano kasunod?
Cube.
Ha?
X.
Cube
Cube
x
x. Mm.
multiplied by derivative of sine of x.
Cosine.
Cosine.
Cosine of x multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to dx. 1.
1.
Understood? Okay. Plus. Ano to?
Sine raised to. Sine.
Sine x raised to 4 times the derivative of that.
Mali.
4 cosine cube x. Read me? Read me?
Yes, sir, balik.
Ah.
Sir, yung-
X naka-raise sa yung 4 naka-raise sa X.
4 pa sir, 4 pa sir.
Ano?
4 sir, 4.
Sine
Sine.
Sine
raised to 4x.
Tama?
Yes, sir.
Tapos, derivative ng cosine ay ito is 4 cosine cube x. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Multiplied by the derivative of cosine of x. Derivative ng cosine.
Negative sign.
Negative
Negative sign x.
sine of x multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to the x.
1.
1.
Okay? Ano to? 4 sine cube x cosine to the 5th x, correct? 4 sine cube x cosine to the 5th x plus ay minus sine ay 4 sine to the 5th x, correct? 4 plus 1, 5. Cosine cube x. Magsisimplify na lang tayo. Yan na yung derivative niya. Factor out. Anong common factor? 4. Ano pa?
Sin x, cosine x.
Ano pa?
Cosine x.
Ha? Sine?
X cosine.
Ano no? Sine x, cosine x. Hindi ah. Greatest common factor. Ano ang greatest common factor?
Cosine x. Cosine
Parehas na ay ng two things. Ano ang pinaka-greatest
cosine.
dito?
Cosine.
Sine cube x, cosine 5th x, sine 5th x, cosine cube x. Observe. Anong greatest? Greatest common factor.
Cosine is
Ha?
5x.
Kung baga, ilan ang sine dito? Tatlo. Ilan ang sine dito?
5.
5. O. Anong pwede kong ilabas?
Sign x. Sign x.
Ha?
Sine X.
Kung nilabas ko ang sine raised to 5x, ano may iwan dito? Kayo. Ay, nako. O, halimbawa, x cubed plus x to the 5th. O, anong common factor in each term? Anong pwede kong ilabas dito? Ayun o, x cubed, x to the 5th. Anong pwede kong ilabas dito? X lang? O, nilabas ko ang x. Anong may iwan dito? X squared plus x to the 4th. O, may lalabas pa ba ako dito? Ha? Meron pa. Ano? X ulit. Oh, pag nilabas ko ang x, may maiiwan pa ba? Yes, kaya nga greatest eh. Yes, x is a common for both terms. Pero is that the greatest common factor? Common na, hindi factor lang. Common factor.
Sign cube.
X cube, ang pwede kong ilabas dito as greatest. My God, sabi ko sa inyo, napapagod ako sa inyo. Kinakabahan ko talagang pasensya ko. Pero hindi na dapat ganitong approach sa inyo. This is not calculus anymore. For Christ's sake, do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? O, anong ilalabas ko dyan? Kaya talagang hindi ako pabor kung saan magsasabay ang calculus at mat 1. Hanggat hindi mo na ipapasa ang mat 1, huwag kang mag-mat 2. Hindi ako pabor doon. Ginawa lang sa'yo. Alam nila yun. May isa ko silang pong-protest kami. Pinagsabay ang mat 1 sa mat 2. Hindi mo nga may pasa ang mat 1. Paano pa ang mat 2? Dapat naisip yun. Ano yung lalabas ko dito? Sine cube x. Okay. Ito lang.
Cosine cube.
Ha? Yes. Cosine cube x. O ano may iwan dito? Times. Ano may iwan? Kung nilabas ko ang 4 sine cube x at cosine cube x, ano may iwan dyan?
Cosine
Ano may iwan
raised,
dito?
cosine raised to 5x.
Ano may iwan?
Cosine.
Dito, nilabas ko ang 4 sine cube x, cosine cube x dito sa term na yan. Ano may iwan?
Cosine raised to 5.
Cosine squared x. My God, kayo. Minus. O minus yan. Nilabas ko ang 4 sine cube x, cosine cube x dito. Ano may iwan?
Sign squared x.
Sine squared x. Are you following? Are you following? Ano ito?
One.
Hindi yan one.
Ay,
Ang
minus.
tigas ng kakagawa lang natin ng kanina.
Sin 2x, I think.
Cosine. Ay, cosine 2x ba?
X
Cosine
4 sine cube x cosine cube x is what? Cosine 2x. Are you following? Oh. Tingnan mo gagawin ko dito ha. Ilalabas ko ang 2. Ilalabas ko ang sine x. Ilalabas ko ang cosine x. So, ano may iwan? Dito ha, dito. Ilabas ko ang 2 sine x, cosine x. Ano may iwan?
Cosine squared.
Ha? Anong may iwan? 4 yan. Nilabas ko ang 2. Anong may iwan? 2. 2. Sin cube x, cosine cube x. Nilabas ko ang sin x, cosine x. Anong may iwan?
Sin squared x, cosine squared x.
Sin squared x, cosine squared x. Are you following? Ito lang yan. Ito pa lang yan. Huwag mong kalimutan yan. Cosine 2x. Nagsisimplify na lang ako ha. But what is 2 sin x cosine 2x? 2 sin x cosine x. What is 2 sin x cosine x? Sin 2x. Is that clear? Ididikit ko itong cosine 2x dito. Pwede?
Yes.
Pwede? Oo. Yung 2, ilalagay ko dito, pwede? Yung 2 nito yung 2 na yan is, ito na yun, yung 2 sin x cosine x is, ito na yun. Yan na yan. Yung 2 sin x cosine x is sin 2x. Do you agree guys? Do you agree? Ito yung 2 sin x cosine x, ito na yun. Itong cosine 2x na to is because of this. Yung 2 na yan is this. Is that clear? Ano may iwan dito?
Sin squared.
Sin
Sin squared x, cosine squared x. So, what is the purpose of doing it? Pansinin mo ito. Doon sa sin 2x is 2 sin x cosine of x. Ano ang x? Diyan, dito. Ano ang x? 2. Heard me? Sine, cosine. Pero yung x, ano dyan? 2x. Tama? Itong x na to is 2x dyan. So, ang equivalent nito is what? Sine 2. Heard me? X. Anong x dyan? 2x. So, 2 times, anong x dyan? 2x. Ano siya? 4x. Sin 4x, sin squared x, cosine squared x. You understand? Hindi kayo umihimik, walang yakay. May mali. Nakita niyo lang kung saan ang mali. Ganito na lang. May mas simplified form pa yan. Okay. Ano ito? Cosine 2x is this. Correct? So, we agree na pwede kong isulat yan as, kung pipilitin ko 2 sin x cosine x cube. Okay. Para mapalabas ko yung 2 sin x cosine x, di ba? Sin x cosine x, so pwede kong ilabas na cube tsaka cube yan. Correct? Do you agree? Do you agree? Ayan. Sin x cosine x cube. Yes? Okay. Pero ito is 4. Ano itong 2 raised to 3? Anong 2 raised to 3? Anong 2 raised to 3? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Eh 4 yan. Ano dapat ang nandito sa labas?
4.
4 nga dapat. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Tama? Eh 4 yan. So ano dapat ang nandito?
Negative
Hindi. Ano dapat ang nandito para maging 4? Ang 2 raised to para parehas lang. Ito convince naman na kayo siguro. Sin cube x is sin x cube. Correct? Cosine cube x is cosine x cube. Correct? Ito na lang. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Eh 4 yan. Ano dapat ang nandito?
Negative 4.
Hindi nyo mag-gets. Anong 2 raised to 3?
8.
8. Ano gagawin ko para maging 4?
minus
Anong 2 raised to 3? 8. Anong gagawin ko para maging 4? Ang hirap talaga. Nasagutin ang tanong ko. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Ano ang gagawin ko sa 8 para maging 4?
divide.
Kumplituhin nyo. Anong divide?
Divide by 2.
Divided by 2, syempre. Kung di 1 half ito. Ulitin ko ha. Is this the same with this? Is this the same with this? Yes. Ayan o. Ano ang 2 raised to 3?
8.
8 divided by 2, hindi ba't 4? Oh. Ano ang sin x cube? Hindi ba't sin cube x? Ano ang sin ay cosine x cube? Hindi ba't cosine cube x? Times cosine of 2x. Pero anong purpose ko? Bakit ko ginawa yun? Kasi ang 2 sin x cosine x is what? Ano ang 2 sin x cosine x? Sin 2x cube cosine 2x. That is the simplified form. Bakit? Parehas na silang 2x. Yung kanina may 2x, may x, may x. Kung maalala nyo. Di ba? Yung kanina may 2x, may x, may x. Mas simplify dito kasi yung angle mo are both 2x. Is that clear?
Gusto na niyo. Magandang pambabae ito.
Alin?
Bagong order nila. Napala. Sabi na yung chicks niya.
Hindi ka alin.
Sabi niya siya sa tanong.
Trojokits.
Hindi ka alin.
Pwede hindi kayo yun dun.
Oh, ano yan? Implicit function. Derivative of an implicit function. Implicit function ay, paano magiging implicit function yan? Oh. Derivative ng sign. Sundan nyo ako, third by third. One third, correct?
Yes.
Tama? One third. Oh. First term, derivative ng sign. Cosine. Cosine of x plus y. Agree? Agree? Multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to dx. Multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to dx. Ito. Anong derivative ng x with respect to dx?
1.
1. Plus, anong derivative ng y with respect to dx?
1.
Eh, di dy dx.
DYDX siya. Okay.
Diba? Derivative ng y with respect to dx, eh, dy dx. Implicit. Nasa implicit tayo. Plus, derivative ng sign.
Cosine.
Ay, sandali. May mali ako. Derivative ng sign. Ay, tama. Cosine.
Cosine.
Plus, cosine of x minus y. Ready, guys?
Yes.
Ready? Multiplied by what?
Derivative of
Multiplied by
x minus y.
derivative dito.
Ah, shit.
Ay, derivative dito. 1 minus
1 DYDX.
dy over dx is equal to 0.
0.
You agree?
Yes.
You agree? Oh, distribute. Cosine of x plus y. Tama? Tama? Times dy over dx times cosine of x plus y. You agree? You agree? Ay, may plus pala.
Yes, sir.
Plus dito. You agree? You agree? Nag-distribute ako. Plus cosine of x minus y
Minus.
minus dy dx cosine of x minus y is equal to 0. Pag samasamahin mo yung term na may dy dx, ito, which is dy over dx times cosine of x plus y, ready? Ready?
Yes.
Ready guys?
Yes, sir.
Minus dy dx cosine of x minus y is equal to transpose negative cosine of
X.
x plus y minus cosine of
X.
x minus y. Ready? Ready guys?
Minus Y.
So that factor out dy over dx, you'll be left with cosine of x plus y cosine of x plus y minus cosine of x minus y is equal to negative cosine of x plus y minus cosine of x minus y. So, anong final answer? dy dx is equal to, ilalabas ko lang ang negative. Pag nilabas ko ang negative dyan, magiging positive cosine of x plus y plus, read me guys? Plus cosine of x minus y over cosine of x plus y minus cosine of x minus y. Hindi pwedeng mag-cancel yan. Terms yan. Hindi pwedeng mag-cancel yan. Anong ginamit ko dyan? Implicit function. Understand? Okay. Picturean niyo yan. Picturean niyo. Please. Sana naintindihan niyo. At picturean niyo yung final answer. Tandaan niyo yung final answer. Ha? Kung may pwedeng mag-rewrite ng final answer, you-rewrite the final answer. Sum of two angles. Ano ang identity equivalent ng sum of sine of x plus y? Sum or difference of sum and difference of two angles. Sum and difference of two angles. Ano ang identity equivalent dito? Sine of x plus y. Sine, sin, cos. Alala niyo? Sin, cos, plus cos, sin. Yes? Tama? Plus sin, cos, or minus, plus cos, sin. Hindi pa ako nag-differentiate. Nasundan nyo? Seriously, nasundan nyo? Ano mangyayari dito? Ay, plus ito. Ano ito?
Negative.
Minus. Sin, cos, cosin, sin, cos, minus, cosin. Correct? You would realize that this cancels with this. Correct?
Yes.
Tama? So you're left with sine of x, cosine of
Sine.
y, plus
Sine of X. X.
ay, sine x cosine y. This would be what? 2
2 sine.
sine x cosine y. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes.
Is equal to 1. Ngayon na ako mag-differentiate. Ngayon na ako mag-differentiate. Anong mangyayari dyan? Isn't it that sine x cosine y is equal to 1/2. You agree? You agree? Di-differentiate na ako. Power. Ano to? Let this be U. Let this be V. Anong derivative ng sine of X? Derivative ng sine.
Cosine.
Cosine of X, correct? Multiply by the derivative of this. Anong derivative dito? 1. Derivative of X with respect to the X, 1. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Ay. Nalito ako. Copy U. Pati ako nalito. Copy U. What is U?
Sin X.
Product yan, UV. Ano bang derivative ng UV? Di ba? U dV dx plus V du dx. Correct? Copy U, sin X. Derivative dito. Anong derivative ng cosine? Negative sine of Y times the derivative of Y with respect to dx.
Ready.
dy dx. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Plus. Copy this.
Cosine. Y.
This will be
Cosine Y.
cosine of y, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Cosine of y
Derivative.
multiplied by
Derivative of
derivative ng
sin X. Ay.
sine of x, that will be cosine x, tama?
Yes.
Multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to dx,
1.
1 is equal to 0. Derivative of 1 half is 0. Tama ba tayo? Sin, cos, sin. Sin, cos, is equal to 1. This minus 3 is 0. Sin x, cosine x, 2 sin x, cosine y. Tapos, anong nangyari? Wala nang dy dx? Wala. This will be 1. Negative sin x sin y. Tama? dy dx is equal to magka-transpose minus cosine x cosine y. Saan ako napunta? Tama ba itong ginagawa natin? So that dy over dx is, what should this be? Should be negative cosine x cosine y over, pupunta siya doon, negative sin x
Sin Y.
sin y. You agree? This one cancels with this. Anong nangyari? I need to see check ako doon. May simplification pa yun. What is cosine over sine? Cotangent. Cotangent of x, cosine all over sine, cotangent of y. Okay? Picture nyo ba? Mukhang masisimplify pa yung problem. Sabi ko sa inyo, i-dictate, ano yung ulit? Na problem. Yung isang solution. Ano yung lumabas na dy dx natin?
Cosine x plus y
Cosine of x plus y
plus cosine of x minus y
cosine of x minus y over
sine of x plus y
sine of x plus y
minus cosine x minus y
minus
cosine x minus y.
cosine of x minus y. Okay? Mukhang pwede pang masimplify ito. Anong mangyayari dito? Ano ba ito?
Yung
Cosine of x plus y. Ay, may
negative lang ay
Saan
Cosine,
naman na?
dalawang
May
cosine.
negative. Saan?
negative yung ano sir? Yung lumabas ng problem sir.
May negative sa labas.
Yes sir.
Meron sir.
May negative sa labas?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. So this would be negative. Ano yan? Cos, pag plus yan, minus, sin. Trigonometric identities yan. Plus, ano to? Cos, pag minus, plus, sin. Over, sin, at Ano pala yan? Ay, sin x plus y, sin x minus y pala. Cosine ito, no?
Yes,
Ito
sir.
pala. Ano to? Sin cos pag plus din cos sin minus cos pag minus magiging plus times minus, so minus sin nasundan nyo? Ang identity niyan is cos pag minus magiging plus, sin. Kaso plus times minus kaya minus. You understand? You would realize that this cos x sin y. May makakansyan ba? Wala naman. May makakansyan.
Mali yung sinabi ko na
Sin
Mali yata ang dalawa.
sin x sin y, sin x sin y.
Nakakawalan ba kasi ito? Kasi yung sign na nakalagay ito.
Hey,
So,
Ayan.
sabihin.
Sir,
Sir, mali yata sir yung sa final na ano sir.
ito.
Oo po sir.
Itong mali.
The cosine yung sign sa baba sir.
Saan? Ito?
Yan sir.
Cosine to.
Parang
Oo nga, sir.
cosine lot sir ata.
Cosine yun, sir.
Kaya
Cosine to.
kaya wala kayong maano sir.
Kaya walang makansel.
Yes sir.
So that this will be what? Cos pag plus minus sin. Ganisan? Minus ito din cos ito magiging plus times minus sin. You understand? So this will become what?
Ayan, that's it.
Cos x cosine y, cos x cosine y. Ito na yun. So this will be, ay negative dyan, this plus this, 2 cosine x cosine y. You agree? You agree?
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1, cosine x cosine y,
2
2 cosine x cosine y. Are you with me?
Yes.
Negative. Negative 1 plus negative 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1, positive 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1. Calculator pa tayo. What is negative 1 plus negative 1? Ay, negative 1 minus 1. Negative 1 minus 1. What is it? Negative 2. Negative 2, ano yan? Sin x, sin y. Negative 2. Ay, 2. Okay? So you're left with cosine x, cosine y over sin x, sin y. Where this is dy over dx, cosine over sine, cotangent of x, cotangent of y. Are you listening? Yes. You understand?
Okay.
So, choice mo yan. Dito, mag-simplify ka na kaagad. Nandito ka kaagad. Are you with me? O yung kanina, ginawa natin, napunta tayo dito, tapos simplify natin. Ito rin nag-end natin. Is that clear? dy dx, correct? dy dx. Walang derivative ng tangent.
Second squared.
Second squared. Ano ito? Ito yung u. xy. Anything else? Ready? Is that it? Multiply by second squared u multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to the x. Ano ang u dyan sa problem?
X.
Ano ang u dyan sa problem? xy. Tama? xy. Tama? Okay. So this will be multiplied by, how do you take the derivative of this product? How do you take the derivative of this product? Copy this. x
dy
multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to dx,
1 dy dx.
dy dx, plus, copy this,
Y.
y,
Derivative.
tama?
Yes.
Multiplied by the derivative of x with respect to dx,
Y.
1. Is that understood? But we call that identities. What is secant squared A? Identity, secant squared A. Pythagorean relation. Pythagorean relation, what is secant squared A? Actually, yan yung derivative niya. Pero magsisimplify lang tayo. What is secant squared A? Pythagorean relation. Identity equivalent of secant squared A. Pythagorean relation. What is it? Pythagorean relation yun. Ano? Say. Ha?
So,
Wala?
sa ano si...
Wala sa listahan mo, meron yan. Magta-transpose ka nga lang kasi, kaya hindi mo makita kaagad. Nasaan ang Pythagorean relation? Nasaan? Nasaan? Lakyan mo. Hindi ko makita, lakyan mo. O, di ba ang sabi ko is secant squared A? O, ano gagawin mo? Ita-transpose mo lang. Anong magiging labas niya?
1 plus tan.
1
Tangent squared A.
plus...
Tangent squared A.
Yes. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag yung tignan lang mga bagay-bagay as it is. Pwede mag-transpose yan. Pwede mag-transpose yung identities. Ano ang point ko dito? Yung A, I will let it to be XY. I will let it to be XY. So this would be secant squared
XY.
XY, ready guys? Is equal to 1 plus tangent squared
XY.
XY. Correct?
Yes.
Correct? So, ano mangyari dito? This would be, anong secant squared XY? 1 plus tangent squared XY. Yes? Yes? Multiplied by X dy dx plus y. Get it guys? But what is tangent XY? Y. Agree? What is tangent XY? Y. So,
Y.
are you convinced na pwede kong isulat
Y squared.
ito as 1 plus y squared?
Yes.
You agree? Yes. X dy dx plus y. Do not forget this. dy dx. So that dy over dx, wala na. Hindi nakakayanin ito ng isa pang problem. Distribute. Ano yan? X dy dx. Ano yan? Plus y. Yan is that? Ano ito? Plus x y squared
dy dx.
dy dx plus
Y.
y cube.
Y cube.
Y squared times y is y cube. Agree?
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
Pagsamahin ng may mga dy dx, dy dx minus x dy dx, ready? Minus x y squared dy dx. Are you following? Are you following? Is equal to y plus y cube. Yes? Tama? Ilabas ang dy dx. So that dy dx times, ano may iwan? Pag nilabas ko ang dy over dx, ano may iwan dito? Ilalabas ko ang dy over dx, ano may iwan dyan? Ha?
X.
dy dx is common in its term. Ilabas ko ang dy over dx, ano may iwan dito? Anong may iwan dito? Ha? Ilalabas ko ang dy over dx o nilabas ko ang dy over dx, ano may iwan dito sa term na ito?
Negative.
Talaga? Dito, itong term na ito ang tinatanong ko. Hindi ito. Ito. Ha? 1, of course. Sabi. Sabi ko, patapos lang na. Ano may iwan dito?
Negative x.
X. Ano may iwan dito?
X. Negative xy.
X. Y squared. Y plus y cubed. So that what is dy over dx? dy over dx is y plus y cubed over 1 minus x y squared. Ay, sana naiintindihan mo.